Tapos pag naka-common emblem ka, hindi mo na kailangan mag-build ng ano. Hindi mo, puro shield lang naman ginagawa ko. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-build ng enchanted talisman. Why, ayun ang walang gumagawa sa MPL eh. Usually ng mga nagmamatilda sa MPL, naka-support emblem, tapos magbe-build sila ng enchanted talisman. Ang problema kasi doon for me, ang tagal ng scaling nun masyado. Sobrang tagal ng scaling ng Matilda doon. Kasi, kailangan mo pa na enchanted talisman para makapag-spam ka ng second skill. Pag pag naka-common emblem ka, basta ma-build mo lang yung Plus of Oasis, super goods ka na. Siguro yung cooldown ng yung cooldown ng enchanted talisman, pwede mong kunin sa boots. Pero feeling ko dapat ako dito. Mag-cooldown boots ako para ilan to? 10, 20, 30%.
Kaya natangga. Guys, nakakorny yan sa atin si Sunibo. Paki-bash nga si B. Corny daw. Tapos ano vitamin tinitake mo? Vitamin C lang boss, tsaka fish oil, tsaka
Vitamin E, tsaka gluta, tsaka col.
Lahat ng Kirkland. Tapos yung may gluta ko, iba eh.
Grabe naman si Uncle, bully.
Hindi ko alam yung gluta ko eh. Okay lang, Daddy JP.
Ay wow, nakuha ng first kill ko nang di sinasadya.
I'm not yet strong enough. It's a long way. Any luck you could run from this?
Ay, gagi.
At least you tried. Well, yet
Poke lang.
Kuya natanggal!
Wow, may assist ako doon, legit. What, Nani?
what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Don't ever look back.
Nakuha ko ni
Kuya natanggal.
Ay, tragis ka kanina ka pa. Parang nga dito
From this? An ally slaying the turtle.
Aray! Ano yung bread rin?
Yex!
Let's make our debut and I can beat that.
Di matatalo to? Itong lineup na to sa RD?
Hindi mo sure, magli lang ang health ha.
Destroy the turret. Turtle Slayer. Our turret is under attack. I'm not yet strong, but I will protect them. Any luck you could run from this?
Aray, yung sakit ng Cho, legit!
Hindi yung...
Pag ganito, shield na lang ako, tas konting front eh. Wala akong shield,
Kuya
sorry.
natanggal!
Our turret is under attack.
Putik yung wala ko daw.
Nasisipain ko kain.
Double kill. Run from this?
Aray!
Boom!
Ayan na, bunggo. Bung talaga yan.
Uy, ba?
Combo nila yung
Dyan.
Bean Johnson. Sa labis pala. Oh my god, I'm dead. Ay, wala siyang damage.
has been slain. I see faster. Has been slain.
Yee! Babayet!
Yung lineup namin, guys. Paniyek. Oh, paniyek.
Any luck you can get from this?
Naku, X. Bahala ka dyan. Hindi, calculated ni X yun. Bye-bye. Naglag! Naglag, legit! Tanongin pa yung viewers ko.
Spree. You and the clan.
Wala ko magpalag ng bush.
One delete.
Nakombo ka. Go, doing the... Ano pumatay dun?
Oh, yan na tangka.
An ally has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Boom! Hindi siya mag-ghost.
On and on today, let's go more. Wait. Oh, grabe siya.
Grabe si Yex!
Huwag kang Kendra 1-1 yan ah.
Hindi nga nag-1-1 si Kelra, no? Parang buong season 16.
An enemy has been slain.
Ano, RRG9.
Healing.
Ilan shield ko? 1, 2. Every
I know some really
8,
cool
9
combos.
seconds.
And we once fought side by side. Has been slain. Run from this double kill.
Walang uwian. Ano yan dahil sa common emblem.
Victory.
That's the power of common emblem. Kaya mo magbatil din ng hindi ka umuuwi.